Join me as I unbox my new glass bird bath and solar powered water fountain that's going to go in it. I'll set it up outside for our beautiful songbirds to have a refreshing drink in this scorching summer heat. Hi everybody, I'm Neva. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing of my glass bird bath. I can't wait to open it. And let's get in and see what it looks like. And I'll tell you the 3 reasons I chose this type of bird bath, a glass one with a pedestal over other types of bird bath. So here's the glass bowl part that goes on top. Wow, I just want to show you this first. Whoa. And all the styrofoam that has protected it. Pop this open and looks like, and with the glass, I was most worried about it coming broken, that it would be fully intact. Wow, this is so pretty. Let's see. I chose the one with the gorgeous dragonflies and these beautiful flowers. So the first reason that I chose a glass, and I'll set it up and show you the whole thing. Here's the pedestal that comes with it. A glass bowl with pedestal is, number one, is for cleanliness. It's really important that it's a smooth, non-porous surface, unlike the cement ones. So it'll be really easy to wipe off and it won't get, hard water stains or anything, or all other kinds of things. It's really smooth and will clean up very easy. Number two, it won't rust. So that was important. And I didn't want plastic. And the cement ones I thought about, but like I said, they were porous and they can be harder to clean if they get stained. But also the cement ones are so heavy. So this would be also easier to move around. And then my third big reason was just how pretty it is. And I thought that would attract the birds even more. Isn't that gorgeous? So excited. So this is the stand that came with it. Came in the box like this. It has little suction cups. And here's the extra one. That's neat. So when I open it, and then there's these little screws I can just tighten. So I will do that. I'm so excited. And let me just show you really quick before I head outside. This I am also really excited about. The first time I've ever tried one of these. Here are the different nozzles that go with my solar powered fountain, because I know the birds, whenever I run the sprinkler in the summer, they're always hopping in it. It seems like they love to have not just a bath, but a shower. So that's awesome. And I chose this one, and I'll have the link in the description below of all of this if this is interesting to you guys. But, and I'm just sharing it. This is just for fun. But it has a glass top, not plastic, that will wear nicely over time. The glass, again, always my favorite. So that's exciting. So this will float in the middle, and I'll show you outside after I set it up. Right here, and I attached these, and it's so funny, as soon as it hit the sun, I could hear it start to work. And I attached these straws that you can either put or not put, and it'll hold it more in the center of the bowl. So let's start filling up. So I chose this sunny spot to try to make sure our water fountain will work. Our solar powered water fountain. And I'm on a little bit of a hill here. I moved it to a little bit more level, sunnier spot. Let me add some more water now. Like I say, it's almost 7 o'clock here. And so the sun is on its way down. Oh, there goes a little more. And there's different nozzles that'll spray different types of spray. Oh, there it goes more. I just love the glass. It's so pretty. But when I read about the solar powered fountain that'll circulate the water, then I thought, wow, I've got to try this. And we've had such high heat here. It's been hot for a long time that wanted somewhere to have the birds have a safe place to come and take a bath and get a nice drink. I'm excited. So pretty. And I love to use solar powered anything when I can, because then you don't have to worry about batteries or having it plugged in all the time. Oh, cool. Look at that. Now that's a different nozzle I've changed to. Like I say, it comes with a few different nozzles that'll give you a different water spray. Oh, that's cool. I do love the backyard songbirds, and we have birds and a beautiful red-headed house finch on our drain pipe in our back porch that just have newly hatched baby birds. So I wanted to give them somewhere safe to take a nice refreshing drink, because right now in this heat everyone needs a refreshing drink, somewhere to get into the water, as far as I'm concerned. The best way to enjoy a hot summer is in the water, right? Well, like I say, hopefully I can get a picture of a bird in this. Well, thanks for joining me, you guys. These are just some of the things I love, and I'm so excited at how this turned out. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I say, I got it on Amazon. Really nice quality, I have to say. And the stand, actually, I love that. It has these suction cups on the bottom that attach to it, and it just went right on there. I just tightened the middle screws, one there, one down there. Couldn't have been easier. I'm really happy with what I have, and the vibrant colors, awesome. Well, like I said, thank you guys, and look forward to next time. Take care. Bye.